dumpster rental service in Texarkana Metropolitan Area. At BullsEye Dumpsters, we proudly provide a reliable dumpster rental service in the Texarkana Metropolitan Area that takes the stress out of cleanup. Whether you're tackling a home renovation, construction project, or simply decluttering, we offer the perfect roll-off dumpster for your needs. We understand that no two projects are the same, so we offer flexible rental periods and a range of dumpster sizes to choose from. Our mission is to make waste removal easy, fast, and affordable for homeowners and businesses. From the first call to the final pickup, we always strive to deliver professional, friendly service. Punctuality is key, so our team ensures timely drop-offs and prompt pickups. We take pride in maintaining clean, well-kept dumpsters so you can focus on your project without added mess or hassle. If you're unsure which size to choose, we're happy to offer recommendations based on your project scope. Our team goes the extra mile to ensure every customer experience exceeds expectations. Great service means listening to your needs and delivering effective solutions. No hidden fees, no complicated terms, just straightforward service that gets the job done. Call us today at 903-824-1235 and see the difference we can make. Let us be your trusted partner in waste management.